Write.
Write.
I write a letter to my friend.
I write a letter to my friend.
Listen.
Listen.
She listens to music every day.
She listens to music every day.
Sleep.
Sleep.
He sleeps 8 hours every night.
He sleeps 8 hours every night.
Walk.
Walk.
We walk to the park on Sundays.
We walk to the park on Sundays.
Run.
Run.
I run in the morning for exercise.
I run in the morning for exercise.
Sit.
Sit.
Please sit on the chair.
Please sit on the chair.
Stand.
Stand.
They stand in line at the store.
They stand in line at the store.
Take.
Take.
I take an umbrella when it rains.
I take an umbrella when it rains.
Give.
Give.
She gives her friend a gift.
She gives her friend a gift.
Open.
Open.
He opens the window to let in air.
He opens the window to let in air. Write. Listen. Sleep. Walk. Run. Sit. Stand. Take. Give. Open.